Yo, welcome back to the Wong Mindset. So today I'm going to be reacting to tiny 290 square foot temporary housing, a welcome upgrade for some low income Hong Kong families. This one's from South China Post. I'll leave a link in the description. So, man, that's crazy. I understand how crazy it gets in Hong Kong. So the way it's set up, man, it's crazy. It's high demand, densely populated, not enough housing, just like everywhere else. So something like a 290 square foot, I don't even know, condo, something for a family is already really nice. Because I heard people living in cages and stuff, some crazy living conditions. It's really tough out there. So I want to see what's going on.
你好嚇，咁咧就呢度咧就係我哋新搬嚟嘅新居，咁裏邊咧就根據組合房屋講咧就有293尺，咁咧佢就長方形嘅，但係都好見地方細，隨便入嚟參觀啦。
Looks long. Oh, is that it? Oh, that's it. That looks like a table and a dresser. Or maybe a little pull-out sofa bed or something. Man, that looks a little tight, but I think that's already definitely an upgrade. Like they're already doing really well compared to a lot of folks. Oh, some container homes, prefabs. Do what you got to do, man. It looks okay. It looks nice and clean and simple. Okay. Wow, it looks okay after they frame it out a little bit. Actually, that's okay. $645 for a subdivided flat. So that's the thing. That's the thing with Hong Kong. So imagine you had a normal like 2-bed, 1-bath unit somewhere, and maybe like it was close to 1,000 square foot, maybe 900, something like that. They would subdivide the heck out of that thing and put like 7 units in there. Everybody has like a little corner, but it's cheap, right? And it's housing. At least you have somewhere to go, right? There's demand, and they're fulfilling a need out there. So it happens. It gets crazy out there. So this is actually really nice compared to that then. Oh, now it's only $387.
因為地方窄啊嘛，嗰張台
Upgrade for cheaper.
都好窄嘅，你唔可以擺到2-3個位喺上面咯。食飯嗰陣咧係輪住食咯，我仔等我哋2個食咗，佢先坐過嚟食咯。
Families taking
唔
turn
可以
eating.
3個人坐埋一齊食，依家咧就可以3個人坐埋一齊食啦。
They can finally eat together.
最大嘅改善咧，空氣環境好咗。地方闊落咗，我哋舒展筋骨都多咗地方。
Definitely happier and
咁變咗咧，你響劏房咧，得呢度嘅1/3地方咧，就根本上咧就真係。
Can you imagine a third of that space they're in right now? That's crazy.
但係迫於無奈，有邊個唔想住豪宅啊？冇能力啊嘛。
I want to be a mansion too. But damn, yeah, like this place is probably all subdivided, everything. Oof. Yeah, see, just like this one is subdivided. This is probably originally like a 2-bed, 1-bath maybe, chopped up, just put up drywall, frame it out, and just make a bunch of rooms out of it. That's already at least some people have somewhere to go, right? They can at least get into one of these. They don't have to like be homeless. With kids, oh my gosh, dude. Oh yeah, waiting for public? I don't know, man. Public is bad everywhere. You're trying to wait for public housing. Oh, he's hanging out, having a good time. And oh, yeah, and then during the pandemic, you can't go out, and then inside is like all cramped up like this. This is makes me feel bad. It makes me feel so blessed, right? Like this is what, you know, hardworking people they got to deal with in some places. This is already like okay, right? It's decent. They're surviving, but you can't go outside. It's a pandemic, and you can't really. There's not much room to hang out and do anything inside. You're all cramped up. Normally, what people do in these situations, they hang out outside all day, most of the day, and just come back here to sleep, right? They could go hit the parks. That's why it's popping outside. But now, if you can't go outside, you're stuck inside. Man, it's bad for your mentals. They got millions of people there. I don't know, 15,000 transitional homes. 800 were ready in 2020. Yeah.
I think in the policy of transitional social housing, we need to do more. But now the problem is the government, they are acting like a middleman rather than to take the responsibility to develop it. So
Wait, hold up. What? Develop it? I don't think, personally, I don't think that the government, it's their job to help develop property and housing for people. I don't know about that. I don't know. Asking a government to build your housing, I don't know. There's got to be different ways for people to come up and get housing and not dependent on the government for it.
So they rely on the NGO, on the private developer to do that. I think it's totally not enough, and they are actually.
So one thing about Hong Kong I watched a couple videos on is it's not like they have a lack of land. Like, oh, you know, it's a very limited amount of space and to develop, and that's why it's just, you know, hard. You know, there's no space to develop. No. Hong Kong has plenty of space. If you look at the map, like it's all green around it. But I think the way the government works is they bid out these lease terms to developers at these crazy high prices. So that's where they get their revenue from to keep this, you know, the public social stuff going. So I don't know, that model has created this problem though. You know, like the population, the economy stuff is just blowing up, like doing really well. But housing created this way is tough, right? Anything they create is going to be like some luxury stuff again, similar to like San Francisco. They're just creating luxury condos. What can the average worker bee person do?
Fail to fulfill their responsibility, their duty.
Okay, that's good. There's funding at least to get it going. I don't know if it's wasted. Community groups to run with it. It just makes me feel really blessed, and that, you know, with what I have, you know, what I've gone to accomplish and what I'm working on right now to build up. And then I'm also thinking about, man, it's tough out there for a lot of folks. So this is a tough problem, you know, in a lot of places. I don't even know where to start with this, but yeah, so this is an interesting one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.